If Steam's built-in browser is showing error -130, error -118, or just a blank page, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get Steam loading properly again. These issues are usually caused by a bad cache, connectivity problems, proxy settings, or even a permissions issue on your PC. And before we start, make sure to hit like and subscribe if this tutorial helps you save time. Let's begin with the easiest fix first. Open Steam and click on Steam in the top left corner, then choose Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Web Browser section. Here, you'll see an option called Delete Web Browser Data. Click that to clear out Steam's browser data. This can remove corrupted cookies, cached files, and other browser information that may be causing the blank page or loading error. After that, stay in Steam Settings and move over to the Download section. Look for the Clear Cache option and click it. Steam may ask you to sign in again afterward, and that's completely normal. Clearing the download cache can help fix strange connection behavior and update-related problems that sometimes affect the Steam browser too. If the problem is still happening, the next thing to try is joining the Steam beta client. Go back into Settings, then open the Interface section. Find the setting labeled Client Beta Participation and select the beta option. Steam will usually restart or prompt you to relaunch the client. This step often helps with persistent browser loading issues because beta builds can include fixes for bugs that are not yet in the stable release. Now let's check for proxy problems. Sometimes Steam browser errors happen because your system is trying to connect through a proxy that Steam does not like. Open your Windows network or proxy settings and make sure any unnecessary proxy is disabled. If you are not intentionally using a proxy or VPN, turn it off and try loading Steam again. A bad proxy configuration can easily cause pages inside Steam to fail to load. Another very useful fix is to run Steam as an administrator. Close Steam completely first, then right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Steam the permissions it needs to access files and network resources properly. If the browser error was caused by a permission issue, this simple step may solve it right away. If you still cannot get it working, check your firewall and antivirus software next. Make sure Steam is allowed through Windows Firewall and that your security software is not blocking it. Sometimes a firewall rule or antivirus web protection feature can interfere with Steam's built-in browser and prevent pages from loading correctly. If needed, allow Steam through both private and public networks, then test it again. At this point, Steam browser errors like -130, -118, or blank pages should be much easier to fix. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue, whether it's clearing browser data, clearing the download cache, switching to the beta client, disabling proxies, running as administrator, or checking firewall access. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more quick Steam troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.